Alright, what's going on with y'all boys, bro? I hit a 1 to 0.73 trade today. I know it doesn't look that good, but I over risked, which made me a lot of money today. Uh, so I was actually bearish on the day today. Because when market opened, we were literally super close to the London lows. But we ended up invalidating a bunch of 1 hour bullish fair value gaps. And I was waiting for this. At that point, I knew we were going bullish. We are going to take out the Asia high. 8:45, we had some flash manufacturing PMI, which didn't really do anything for the market. But at 9 o'clock, we had existing home sales, which you could see kickstarted this jump. And I was waiting for a closure of this 1 hour bearish flag gap, but I realized that by the time this candle closes, we were going to be hella high. So I took it in the middle of it. Boom, we hit the Asia high. I'm looking to take shorts right now, but I honestly, that might actually happen. If that happens, I'll cut the two videos together and then I'll upload them. But honestly, I don't know if that's going to happen. We ended up targeting the Asia high, which we ended up hitting. That's really it for the trade. Nothing really. I didn't wait for liquidity. I'm not saying not to wait for liquidity sweep, but at the way that we were at right now, it was an intuition play. I knew that we were gonna hit the Asia high just because we had so much momentum coming from the news. We invalidated the bearish value gap. We didn't even get a bearish reaction off the London high, which usually when you sweep a session high, you get a small regression before you go and take the Asia high. We didn't even get that, so I knew that we were gonna go all the way to the top. That's what ended up happening. The reason that I don't think shorts are viable is because the what's it called? Gbpusd took out London high over 20 minutes ago, and we're still not seeing a bearish reaction. And it just looks to want to go higher and higher. But when I look at the 1 hour time frame or anything like that, the closest thing that we have is this right here, this 1 hour high. I'll probably stick around and see if we end up getting a reaction off of this 1 hour bearish value gap right here. Honestly, I might just stick around with y'all and do it real quick. Just see. If we don't get it, then we don't get it. But if we do get it, if we do get a good reaction going, then I would like to see that. So we got this 1 hour high right here. On Eurusd, I really don't know what we're reaching for. Maybe this 1 hour high. Maybe see a small reaction. And oh shit, we low-key might hit this 1 hour high. Hold up. If I see a retracement into the 1 hour into a bearish value gap. Oh shit. Wait, low-key longs might be viable here. Hold up. If I could see a reaction or something into the into a fair value gap or something, this low-key might be a good idea to take. I could probably take something like this, set it below this fair value gap, something like that, hopefully. Is there a way to pause this? Oh, there's a way to pause this. Alright, I don't think that that's viable either. That we're gonna get a reaction into the. Oh shit, hold up. I'm gonna pause, and then if I end up taking a trade, I'll come back. If not, I'll just let y'all know. All right, boys. I really don't even know when what's it called, when I cut. I think I cut somewhere over here 9:17. It's an hour later. We ended up taking the trade off of this 1 hour bearish value gap. We got a little bit of drawdown. We're going up. I do assume us to hit the 1 hour high, although I did take my money out here. I'm going to always keep it 100 with y'all. I could have, waited for the trade to hit and then came back later, be like, oh, I hit this trade. But nah, I took out my money here because I have somewhere to go right now. And I couldn't wait any longer to stay in the trade. And I know what y'all are saying. Oh, it's just a 1-to-1 trade. You could have just waited for it to hit later. But I prefer to manage my trades, especially with this forex thing. I have a lot of spread, so even if the take profit hits here, if it goes here and comes down, it won't actually close out. It'll only close out up here. So I have to manually click close, which I just it just wasn't the move. We could look at Euro USD. It ended up just hitting the 1 hour high, so this might have been a better trade. I may have like probably a good entry that I could have taken was right here, waiting for this retracement out here. Boom, enter right here. Put it below this value gap right here. This would have been a good trade, but I ended up taking Gbpusd just because this 1 hour bearish value gap has higher confluence for me, and I do expect this to hit the 1 hour high. Again, I over risked, but ended up working out for me. Appreciate y'all. Have a good one.